Hey y'all, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little bit of Born a Pretty PR to share with y'all. I do know that this is a jelly collection, but I don't really know. I can't remember what the colors are. I want to say they're supposed to be neon. Y'all, it's been a long time since this package has been on its way to me. And I was on vacation. So I was on vacation when it showed up. We are going to unbox it together. These are 7 ml bottles. They are the smaller versions, but they are the updated packaging. The little windows here. Ooh, that's a red something. I don't know. Something's looking beautiful over here. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these out for y'all. Don't forget, I do have a 10% discount code, which is BLL10. I'll have everything linked for y'all down in the description box below. I do make a little bit of commission, and it does help out my channel just a little bit of a smidge. Okay, I've got them out of the packaging. We have 6 polishes here. They are the Sunset Jewel Ice Jelly collection. They're not neon like I thought they might be. Some of them, this one over here is looking a little brown. This one's looking a little russet. This one's looking a little wine. Not really sure, but we will go ahead and dive in. Again, this is the Sunset Jewel Ice Jelly collection. And before we carry on, don't come for me in the comments. Yes, I know I need to do my nails. That's on the list of my things to do within the next, I don't know, week or so. My hands are super dry. I've been in the kitchen nonstop. I'm baking, I'm cooking. My hands are constantly washed, and they're dry. And we're coming up on the end of winter times. Yes, spring has sprung here in the old Michigans, but yeah, it's not like, look at this, terrible. And I hate gooping up my hands with lotions or serums or, you know, what have yous right before I get on camera, because then I struggle to open my stuff. And I'm not one of these people who likes to wear gloves. Y'all know the whole deal. Y'all know the deal. But my kitchen is done. I have literally been obsessed with my kitchen. I went on vacation recently for 2 weeks, and the whole time I was there, I was like, oh, I miss my kitchen. Like, I just want to be, you know, leaning down on my island, you know, propping myself up on my big old beautiful island, thumbing through a cookbook. Like, who the hell am I? I don't even know who the hell I am anymore. But this is my life now. I freaking love to bake. Love, love, love. In fact, I'm going to put up a quick picture here of a cake that I recently baked, which is a berry chantilly cake, which is a dupe of Whole Foods berry chantilly cake. Y'all, I did this. I did all of this. Mistakes were made. I will probably tweak a few things. Next time I bake this cake, it was a labor of love. I did this over 3 days. You know, I baked my sponges, I froze them, and then 2 days later I came back and I made my berry jam, and then I made my chantilly frosting. Absolutely amazing. I was so proud of myself, and it was chef's kiss. So delicious. They're called, what are they called? Sunset Jewel. I can maybe see that. It may give a little bit of like a southwestern sunset with, you know, the yellows and reds. And this one is still a little bit, it's giving brown for me. I did only do one coat for my swatches. What is up, good peoples? It has been so long since I have done a voiceover. I forgot how to plug in my mic. So I'm going to use a pink here in this design. If you want to pause this and check out the name of this particular neon pink, feel free. So I was going for a neon, or maybe not neon, like a candy jelly design. And I used, I don't know, four or five different colors. Literally, you plop it. You cannot mess this up. You plop them on, and then you take a brush. It can be any old kind of brush. It doesn't have to be an ombre brush. Use the nail art brush and just sort of blend out those edges, you know, where your colors meet. And then you could even do like oh, and then I'm going to use a cat magnetic gel. You could even do like a blooming gel underneath these colors and then put your colors on and then just let them go. Just let them have fun. So after I've cured all my little candy colors, I'm going to go in with Born Pretty's Cat Eye Magnetic. It's a Holo. It's the Holo one. The Holo Cat Eye Magnetic Gel. And I'm going to do that all over the entire nail. And then use my little magnet. And I was kind of trying to create like a swoosh, like a swooshy design. There we go. You can kind of see it there down the entire nail. I actually mattified this and I hated it. So I glossied it up again. I was just not feeling that matte. But yeah, this design is so freaking easy. If you are brand new to nail art, if you don't know anything about gels, how to put colors together, it don't matter. It don't matter. Plop them on, blend them together at the edges a little bit at the seams, put you on a top coat, and there you go. And there you have it. It's literally the easiest nail art design ever. So I'm just giving y'all two different sort of lengths and two different shapes here. If you have square nails, if you have stilettos, if you just have shorties, it doesn't matter. Just use less of your colored gel products and, you know, on your little tiny baby nails, do the same thing. Blend them out. Doesn't matter. Again, you could also do like a blooming gel effect, but I was obsessed with this. Like, I want this on all 20 of my nails. So that's going to do it for me. And I hope y'all stuck around to the very end of this video. And if you did, cookies, kudos, and trophies to y'all. And don't forget to use my discount code, which is BLL10 at the old bornpretty.coms. You can grab this collection, the candy jellies. Pick you up the Cat Eye Magnetic. Oh, it's gorgeous. Bye.